Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a rent-ready tutorial for beginners. So let's get started with rent-ready. Signing up and logging in, visit the rent-ready website, create an account using your email address, log in to access your dashboard. Now adding properties. How to add a property? Go to the Properties tab, click Add Property, and input details like property address, unit type, rent amount, and due date. Upload property photos and descriptions to attract potential tenants. Next is tenant searching. Inviting tenants to apply. Navigate to the Tenants tab, click Invite Tenant, and enter their email address. Tenants will receive an application link for background checks, credit reports, and rental history. Reviewing applications. Use RentReady's integrated screening tools to assess tenants' suitability. Approve or decline applicants directly through the platform. Now on collecting rent payments. Go to the Payment tab, connect your bank account for secure transfers, set up recurring payment schedules for each tenant. On tenant payments, tenants can pay rent online through the RentReady app. Accept payments via ACH, credit card, or debit card. On managing maintenance requests, go to the Maintenance tab, review requests submitted by tenants with photos or videos attached. Assign requests to contractors or handle them yourself. Now communicating with contractors. Use RentReady to share request details for contractors and track progress. On communication with tenants. Send messages directly to tenants through the platform. Keep all conversations organized by tenant or property. Post announcement for all tenants. Now on managing leases, go to the Tenants tab, upload signed lease agreements for each tenant. Share lease details. For example, rent amount, lease duration, etc. with tenants via the app. On lease renewals, automate reminders for lease renewal dates. Send update to leases tenants for review and signing. Lastly, on the reports and analytics. For rent tracking, monitor payment statuses, view monthly income reports, for tax and accounting purposes. Lastly, for property performance, analyze occupancy rates, rental income trends, and maintenance expenses. And that's basically it.